All right, so the tractor is together, new tires, painted. I really can't complain. Like I said, it's not perfect, but it looks, just kind of like what I was saying before. Sometimes just having a fresh tractor, it really just makes you feel better about it. I'd say that's the case here. I've still got lots of a couple broken bolts. Got to retap a lot of stuff, chase some threads. One of the fenders needs straightened out. There's still wiring to go. I did add in a solenoid for the glow plugs because I do have the. I did convert to the Power Stroke glow plugs, but man, it fired right up. The solenoid definitely made a difference. I was able to deliver a lot more power to the glow plugs. A lot of work. I still haven't completely reassembled my seat. Right now it's just strapped down, but yeah, I've mentioned it before, even though it's not good, looks, good from a distance, but then as you get closer, you're going to start seeing a lot of imperfections. There's some orange pill of the paint because it was shot outside. So there's moisture, and you'll see trapped bugs that died a terrible death. But I can't complain. It's come out pretty well, and I can touch it up. So I'm real happy with it. Oh, those are side emblems. I thought they came out pretty well. The one up here, the 560, needs touched up a lot. I was in kind of a hurry. But yeah, it's already got dirt on it. I'm getting ready to go take it bush hogging. So, this is probably as nice as it will ever get a chance to look, at least temporarily. I may paint it again. If I paint it again here in a few years, I'd say probably the main things, the 10, I've got to get, some of it I just need replacements. I mean, I can weld up to a certain degree, but then, it's usually easier just to buy replacements if I can find a decent one. Nearly all the 10 needs replaced. But I welded up some. I got the big holes taken care of, and straightened out quite a few dents. I noticed on mine, one thing I was going to mention is mine was sway backed, and I was like, man, is this really the way it's supposed to be? But then what I noticed is that up here, if you right there, it was actually bent up at an angle, and so I took a pair of adjustable wrenches, crescent wrenches, and not a pair, a singular one, and then I just opened it up wide enough to slip over the sheet metal. There's like a little lip down here, and then just bent it down, and it actually raised this piece back to where it was supposed to be. Some of these, like I said, I've been using that aluminum wheel paint, and that's actually. It does a fair job. It's not perfect. I'm probably going to order some chrome pieces. And then, all these still need rebush. But, like I said, you can probably look back through some of the other videos and just see, and there's nothing wrong with the tractor and work clothes. But this one, it wasn't evenly worn because there were different pieces from different tractors. And so, at least now it looks homogeneous. It looks like it's meant to go together. So, I don't know. Yeah, I'm content. I don't have any complaints. As long as it runs the bush hog okay, in the next few hours, we'll be good. So, all right. You guys take care. Bye.